Good day guys, welcome. If you want to automate your accounting workflows, extract customer invoices, or sync your sales data automatically with N8n, connecting your QuickBooks Online account takes just a couple of minutes and I'll show you how. So firstly guys, you need to set up a free develop application inside Intuit to get your API credentials. So you just need to head over to developer.intuit.com, this address, and of course sign in into your account. Then you just click on My Apps in the top menu and select Create an App. And you just select QuickBooks Online API as your platform, give your app a name, and take the required permissions for accounting and payments. And once created, click on Keys and OAuth under the Development section to view your client ID and client secrets. Next, we need to link those keys directly into our N8n workflows. So open your N8n, add a QuickBooks Online node, and click Create New Credential. So as shown here, you go here. Next step is configuring, and in here, here's your credential field. Then you copy the OAuth redirect URL provided inside N8n, switch back to your Intuit, paste that link into the redirect URIs field and click Save. And then you just copy your client and client secret from Intuit, paste them into N8n. After that, set the environment to Sandbox for testing and click Connect My Accounts. So also remember that Sandbox credentials only work with fake test data. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.